Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to digitally sign multiple PDF files at once. First, gather all the PDF documents you intend to sign into a single, easily accessible folder. Next, ensure your digital ID, also known as a digital certificate, is properly installed and ready for use on your computer. This certificate acts as your unique digital identity, verifying your authenticity. We will then proceed to use a suitable software application to apply your signature to all selected files simultaneously, streamlining your workflow significantly. Before you begin, it's essential to prepare your workspace. Start by organizing all the PDF files you need to sign into a single, clearly labeled folder. This simple step will save you considerable time later. Next, confirm that your digital ID, which contains your unique signing certificate, is installed and readily available. This ID is usually password protected, so have your password handy. Ensuring these two elements are in place is the foundation for a smooth and efficient batch signing process. Now, let's execute the batch signing. Open your PDF software and locate the batch processing or action wizard feature. You'll typically find an option to sign multiple documents. Select this, then point the software to the folder where you organized your PDF files. The application will prompt you to choose your digital ID and enter its password. You can also customize the signature's appearance and position, ensuring it meets your specific requirements across all documents before applying it. Once the batch signing is complete, it's crucial to verify the integrity of your work. Open several of the newly signed PDF files to confirm that the digital signatures are present and appear valid. Look for a green checkmark or a similar indicator. For best practices, always back up your digital ID in a secure location and never share its password. Additionally, consider using a trusted timestamp server to enhance the long-term validity of your signatures, providing an extra layer of security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.